All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. As you can see here, we're still building our 24 by 24 slab. So let me show you exactly what we have so far. This is just one wall here, the perspective that we're looking at from the side. Let's go to the top and see exactly what we have. Now, if we look at the top here, you see we do have our beautiful 24 by 24 slab completely done. Took all day, but I wanted to get it knocked out because, like I said, we do have the mechanics down pat. We know exactly how to build it now, so we don't have to really do too much trial and error and troubleshooting. We just got right to work and got it knocked out. Now all I have to do is actually put the pillars on. And before I put the pillars, I want to try to figure out how I can get those cones up here like I was supposed to do last time that I couldn't because of the positioning. Maybe I can just set the cones down first and then put the pillars underneath and build them up that way. I'm not sure because with the pillars, I did the trick with the pillars. I didn't actually build them up one by one. I built them up all at once. It's a little trick. I'm not going to go over it with you right now because it does go into a lot of detail. But yeah, that's how I did that. That's why I wasn't able to put the cones on top because I didn't actually put the pillars up one at a time. I actually built them all at once using a special tool. But again, that's neither here nor there. Like I said, I do want to try to figure out a workaround where I can actually get those cones on top of those pillars. If not, then we'll just put the pillars back like we had them last time and get it going from there. But as you can see, our 24 by 24 slab is completely done. I am happy. I'm not gonna lie to you because it's like we really didn't miss a beat. It's only been a day or two since our program has been erased, and we have it right back. So that's that. So that's what I did for the day. Also, I wanted to update you on something else really quickly. We can get that close. I'm not gonna do the pillars tonight. I've been doing bricks all day, so yeah, we're gonna work on the pillars tomorrow. Also, what we did tonight is we did get into. Let me close this really quickly. We did get into our VS Code, and I've been seeing this all over the internet about the what is this the GitHub Copilot being free now, and that anybody can get ahead and download it to try it out. So of course I want to get and download it inside of my VS Code, and I'm gonna tinker around with it and see exactly what we can do. I may actually use it on this learning agents code here that we're building. I may use it on this, or I may just get ahead and do this first learning agent on my own, so I can get familiar with the mechanics and everything we need to do to get it built. And then from then on, if I want to like do specialty things and modifications, I'll run it through the Copilot. If you can even look here and see here on the Copilot itself, it says X Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI, so mistakes are possible. Review output carefully before use. So, like I've been saying before, AI is not completely autonomous without us. It still needs us to overlook and have oversight over what it does to make sure it is performing properly. So, I don't want to put too much reliance on just AI telling me what to do. That's why I want to build my first few learning agents on my own so I can know exactly what to look for. If AI does make a mistake, I can correct it. Yeah, so that's where we're at. We did get our slab completely done. I downloaded the GitHub Copilot for my VS Code, and that's how we spent our night. So, like I said, I'm gonna do my first few learning agents on my own, and then after that, I'll actually start using the Copilot so we can get a little more complex with our builds and see what we get from that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.